Hey, well, the painting is done. Look at that beautiful red trailer, eh? Yeah, lots of painting. By the way, it's painted on the underside too. Even though you can't see it, but it is. Obviously, I don't want it to rust. So yeah, it turned out really nice. That's two 1 liter cans of red, Regal red trim clad, and applied with the brush and a roller. I'm still gonna have to. I've got a little bit of paint left. Still gonna have to do a little bit of touch up here and there. And I also have some spray cans that I use to get into some places. They were a little tight, but there you go. The fenders all done, and then the fenders are undercoated with vehicle undercoating on the underside there, so they're all good to go. And yeah, this was done 2 days ago, all this paint, so it's dry. The rest of the paint is tacky, so I'm not going to touch it. You can still see the VIN number all imprinted in there. So yeah, so I'm going to give this another day or so to cure, and then I've got to think about what's next here. I can either put the axles back on underneath now, or actually I think they'd be in my way, so I think what I'm going to do is run the wiring first. So I'm going to do all the wiring. Needs to be clamped to the side. I was trying to decide whether to put the wiring on the inside here and then go under each one of these cross pieces, or running it on this side right here, and then I don't need to go under the cross pieces. But then once I get to the front of the trailer, I'm going to have to go underneath. I'm going to have to go underneath that cross piece. Anyway, so yeah, haven't quite decided. I would love to be able to fish the wire right through the tube, but then there's so many places where I would have to drill holes and pull the wires out. For example, clearance light here, brakes, and then the wires are going to come up through this hole right here into this section for the tail lights there. So yeah, I'll think about that. I've got a couple days to think about it anyways. Okay.